briefly, I mean,
Under the Wings 78, 3 child victims of the Luftwaffe bombing of a town in Spain as Generalissimo Franco asked the Third Reich to do. We have Gerda Taro, the French, the girlfriend of French Jewish photojournalist Robert Capa. She was Jewish herself. Died during the Spanish Civil War while she and Capa were covering the war. And at top, Miguel Hernandez, the Spanish poet who died in a Spanish prison. He was anti-fascist. Retired campus pastor Reverend Brooke Rolston here visiting on mid-December here.
Akiva, thank you. This is such a broad work. It expresses so many different human emotions. Every face on this shows some different human presence, and it's everything from delightful, happy presence to either terrible surprise or maybe awe. And this perhaps is in death, this is in sleep or repose, and this person is reflecting so pensively. It's a scope of human reactions that is just astounding in one artwork. I love the play of color. I love the play of the monsters. Thank you for making sure that children will always be able to see playful monsters and then take in the human figures captured in so many different ways. Thank you for Wings again. It's good to see them in your work.
Thank you, Brooke Rolston. I'm just to point out, wing. Each of the children has a wing drawn out. Metaphoric wing and allegorical sea monsters.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.